to here, go to documents, and here she is, selected, okay? Then we open it in Canva, open it, let's drag it a little bit, make it bigger. Okay, it's 6 by 8, pretty big. You see the size here, 6 by 8. Okay, and then we're going to remove the background. Please remove the background. After you remove the background, you can just check here, and then you can place a color to see if the no white in here has been removed. Okay, so we delete this, and this here we're going to download. Actually, we can make it bigger. Let's make it pretty big. Fill the page. We're going to download. Go to share. Download. PNG. We will have it with a transparent background. And this right here, you can run it up. Run it up and download. Okay, so we'll download this into a computer with a transparent background. And if you are a Silhouette Studio user, you can upload it into Silhouette Studio. Okay, so we downloaded it. I go into my Silhouette Studio. I have a new page. Okay, I have my page set up on 8.5 by 11 right here, media size. Okay, and also I will go here and put my registration marks. Okay, and you can bring the registration mark to here. You see that? You can bring it to 0. Make sure your machine can read those registration marks, okay? If you think it's not necessary, you can bring them back. Yeah, you can bring them back, but you can do that. Okay, we'll come back here. I'll go back to page setup. I'll go in here and I'll put my, okay, I have my cut border and my print border. My print border is here. My cut border is here. So everything that's within these red borders is safe. Nothing should be out there. And then I will go here, file, and I will go to merge. Go to merge, and I'll go and I'll download this. Okay, it will come in here. It will be super big, but we will make it smaller. Maybe for you it won't come out big, but I'll show you how to size it, like to bring the size down. Okay, here I have it locked, so I'll put here, let's say 6. Okay, 6 inch. Okay, 6 inch, and then we will select here and it will come to here. Okay, you see it right here. So we can make it bigger. You can stand here and make it bigger. Okay, it's almost 7. Let's see. Okay, we can make it bigger. So now we'll go to send. We have it already. No, don't go to send yet. Go in. Okay, if you see this happening, I'll show you how to fix it. I see something here. I see an opening here. We will fix it. I'll show you how to fix it. Let me show you the opening. You see the opening right there? It will cut it. We don't want it to cut it. Let me show you how to fix it really quick. Go here, take a circle. Make a circle and make it white. Okay, make it white. And send it to the back. Send it to the back. And select everything and group them so the hole will be closed. Okay, and then let's go back here. Let's go in here. Go in here. Yeah, in here. We're going to enable the print bleed. That means you will have an extra layer on the border here so that it doesn't cut into the design. It's very, very safe. Okay, now we'll go to send. And now you see we're seeing all this. We do not want this. You see this here? You see this here is the overlapping. But when you select this, you see it's gone. It won't cut into there. It will cut around the border for you. Let's go back to design and we go to print, like you're gonna print this, print. Okay, And you see the border, the bleed, the bleed. That means even when it cut into this yellow, it won't go into white. Okay? It will never go into white. Let's see, let me show you. Spring. Okay, it's trying to show me, but you see here, it will cut on the yellow, but it will go a little bit into here. So the white is over here, it won't go into white. This is very, very useful. So this is it. You don't have, we see, we didn't use Canva, we didn't use nothing of this. We only use ChatGPT. I mean, we didn't use Canva to design this. We use it to remove the background and to you have to remove the background and bring it in here. Okay, so with AI you can do all this. I built this because I know how to build these templates by hand, and we are tired of that building by hand. We have AI now, so we can use AI to do the heavy lifting for us. You see, these are the other ones that I built. And let's go back and it will. So here you see the design. I asked it to put a popsicle stick on the handle for a mock-up, and look, it did. You see, it puts a popsicle stick. So this is your mock-up. What you do, you copy it and bring it into Canva. And here we are where the design is. We're gonna put another page. Okay, and we're going to paste it here. Paste it right here, and then we're going to remove the background from it. Okay, so here is your mockup, your product mockup. Let me go in really quick. Let me show you something. Like normally, our sticks don't have these things on them. I don't know why they came. You can just erase them. Magic eraser. Yeah, you can make it better. See, this is too big. Let me make it smaller. You can erase all of this. Okay, erase. So this will be a mock-up. So here we are. Okay, normally it won't make this thing. Or another way to make the mock-up too. If this one doesn't work, you just go back to your design here. Your design here. Let's say we duplicate it. Okay, this one here, make it smaller. Okay, and then we go to elements and get a popsicle stick. Write down popsicle stick, you get it? And then we go up here, we make the stick smaller so that it can fit the design. You see that? Let's see if we can make them smaller. Yeah. And then you send it to the back. So we have our first mockup group. You see our first mockup, and then we can duplicate it. Duplicate it to show. You see that? So you can make the mockups two ways. You can make it in ChatGPT, or you can come in Canva here and make them. Okay? So this is what you're going to post online to show your customers that you are selling graduation fans. Okay? And you make them in the app that I showed you. You can get the app from my website. You don't have to design anything in Canva. You can make it in whatever color you want. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.